He did not come from a dynasty of global celebrities, yet something about him was always impossible to overlook. With a rare combination of youthful charm, steady determination, and a vocal tone that continued to mature with every passing year, IN didn't simply debut as the youngest member of Stray Kids. He built an identity of his own, transforming raw potential into one of the most promising careers in modern K-pop. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on February 8, 2001, in Busan, South Korea, IN's journey began far from the massive concert arenas and global stages he would eventually conquer. Born as Yang Jong-in, he grew up in a supportive environment where he developed an early interest in music and performance. His natural curiosity, positive attitude, and willingness to work hard would eventually guide him toward the entertainment industry. As a teenager, he joined JYP Entertainment and entered one of the most demanding trainee systems in South Korea. The experience challenged him physically, mentally, and artistically. During these formative years, he focused on strengthening his vocal abilities, improving his stage presence, and adapting to the highly competitive world of K-pop. A major turning point arrived in 2017 when he participated in the survival program Stray Kids. Despite being among the youngest contestants, he demonstrated resilience and determination throughout the competition. His growth impressed both audiences and mentors, ultimately earning him a place in the final lineup. In 2018, he officially debuted as the youngest member of Stray Kids. His voice quickly became an essential component of the group's evolving sound. Bright, expressive, and increasingly refined, his vocals added emotional balance to Stray Kids' energetic performances. As the group achieved international success through chart-topping albums, sold-out tours, and record-breaking achievements, IN continued to mature as both a vocalist and performer. Over the years, his artistic development became one of the most noticeable within the group. Fans witnessed a remarkable transformation from a shy teenager into a confident entertainer capable of commanding major stages around the world. His consistent improvement highlighted a work ethic built on patience, discipline, and self-belief. By 2026, IN is regarded as far more than simply the youngest member of Stray Kids. Industry observers recognize his vocal growth and stage confidence, while fans admire his sincerity and positive energy. His career reflects continuous evolution, proving that long-term dedication often creates the strongest foundation for success. Offstage, his lifestyle reflects balance and personal growth. He maintains a disciplined schedule that supports both physical health and artistic development. Whether practicing vocals, preparing for performances, or spending time with fellow members, he approaches his responsibilities with professionalism and maturity. His fashion presence has also gained significant attention. Known for his polished appearance and sophisticated style, IN frequently showcases a blend of modern trends and classic elegance. His evolving image mirrors his personal journey, youthful yet increasingly refined with each passing year. While public interest often extends to his private life, he remains thoughtful about maintaining boundaries. Rather than focusing on unnecessary attention, he consistently places emphasis on personal improvement, music, and meaningful connections with fans. Those who work alongside him often describe him as respectful, hardworking, and genuinely appreciative of the opportunities he has received. As of 2026, his estimated net worth reflects earnings from album sales, global tours, endorsements, merchandise, and various entertainment projects. Beyond financial achievements, he has earned something equally valuable: credibility as an artist who continues to grow with every new chapter of his career. What many find most inspiring about IN is his visible transformation. Fans have witnessed every stage of his development, from trainee to international performer. His journey serves as a reminder that growth is often built through consistency rather than instant success. IN's story is defined by progress rather than shortcuts. From a young boy in Busan to a globally recognized K-pop star, his rise reflects perseverance, humility, and unwavering commitment to self-improvement. As he continues forward in 2026, he stands as a symbol of growth, resilience, and the power of believing in one's potential. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. He did not come from a background of global fame, yet something about him was always impossible to ignore. With a natural blend of deep vocal tone, artistic sensitivity, and undeniable stage presence, Kim Taehyung didn't simply step into the world of K-pop. He built his own identity within it, turning his early love for music and art into one of the most distinctive artistic journeys of his generation. You're watching EvaDoc, and if you enjoy in-depth lifestyle and biography content about your favorite stars, make sure you subscribe to the channel and stay connected for more exclusive videos like this. Born on December 30th, 1995, in Daegu, South Korea, Kim Taehyung's story began far from the global spotlight. Raised partly in the countryside of Gyeocheong, he experienced a modest upbringing rooted in family values and simplicity. From a young age, he was drawn to music and creative expression, learning to play the saxophone and developing a fascination with visual art and photography. These early interests quietly shaped the artistic personality he would later reveal to the world. His path changed when he auditioned for Big Hit Entertainment, eventually debuting in 2013 as V, a vocalist of BTS. Even in the group's early days, his rich baritone voice stood out in an industry dominated by lighter tones. As BTS steadily gained momentum, V became known for his expressive performances and emotional delivery, contributing significantly to the group's evolving global identity. As BTS expanded internationally, so did Taehyung's artistic presence. His solo tracks such as Stigma and Singularity showcased a darker, jazz-influenced sound, highlighting his ability to communicate vulnerability and intensity. Later releases like Sweet Night and Winter Bear revealed a softer, introspective side, proving his versatility beyond high-energy stage performances. Rather than limiting himself to one style, Taehyung embraced experimentation. His solo album Layover marked a defining moment, leaning into soulful R&B tones and understated production. The project demonstrated artistic restraint and maturity, earning global chart success while reinforcing his individuality as a solo performer. By 2026, Kim Taehyung is recognized as both a global music icon and a fashion authority. Industry insiders appreciate his refined taste and creative instincts, while audiences connect deeply with his sincerity and emotional authenticity. His career reflects thoughtful progression rather than impulsive decisions. Offstage, his lifestyle blends creativity with calm reflection. He is known for visiting art exhibitions, exploring photography, and drawing inspiration from classic films and jazz music. Despite immense global fame, he maintains a composed and grounded demeanor, valuing privacy and personal space. His fashion presence mirrors his artistic depth. Taehyung moves effortlessly between vintage-inspired tailoring and modern luxury aesthetics. As a global ambassador for major fashion houses, his appearances at international events consistently generate worldwide attention, reinforcing his influence beyond music. While public curiosity often surrounds his personal life, he remains selective about what he shares. He consistently redirects attention toward his music, artistic exploration, and long-term growth. Within the industry, he is described as thoughtful, detail-oriented, and deeply immersed in the emotional layers of his work. As of 2026, his estimated net worth reflects consistent success through global tours, album sales, streaming milestones, and high-profile brand partnerships. More importantly, he has established a reputation built on credibility, artistry, and sustained international relevance. What many admirers find compelling is his introspective depth. Taehyung values emotional authenticity, draws inspiration from nostalgia and classic art forms, and carefully curates his projects to align with his personal vision. This intentional approach distinguishes him from passing trends. Kim Taehyung's journey is defined by artistic evolution rather than repetition. From a young trainee with a distinctive voice to a global cultural figure, his rise reflects discipline, creativity, and quiet confidence. As he continues forward in 2026, he stands as a symbol of modern global stardom, refined, introspective, and built to last. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this lifestyle feature, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to EvaDoc for more premium celebrity content. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.